Have you ever wondered how some people seem to grow their businesses so fast while others struggle to get started? What's their secret? Well, today I'm going to share what I plan to learn in the next 6 months to kickstart my online business journey and how you can join me in making it happen. I'm not starting from zero, but I still have a lot to learn. In the next 6 months, I'm going to focus on developing key skills that will help me grow my online business. But the most important part is this: I'm starting now because what I do today will matter in the next 5 years, and I want you to be with me through it all. Skill 1: video editing. First, I want to master video editing. Why? Because in today's world, quality content is king. And if I can create high quality videos, it will help me connect with more people. Whether it's for YouTube or any other platform, learning how to edit well is something that will pay off. Skill 2: business skills. Next up, I'm going to learn the fundamentals of business. Running an online business isn't just about making money. It's about knowing how to market, sell, and build something that lasts. Whether it's affiliate marketing or e-commerce, I'll be exploring all the different options. Skill 3: building an audience. And then there's the challenge of building an audience. Let's face it, it's tough, but if I learn the right strategies now, it will pay off in the future. The fear of not growing is real, but it's exactly why I need to push forward. And guess what? You can join me too. You don't have to wait until you have everything figured out. Start with me and we'll learn together. Another huge part of this journey is learning how to make money online. Whether it's through affiliate marketing, freelancing, or building my own products, I'm going to experiment with all kinds of strategies. I'm not sure what will work, but I'm excited to find out. Look, I'm not going to lie. I might fail. I might get 0 views or no subscribers. But here's what I know. I will keep going. This is a Faceless channel, and right now I'm using AI voices. But if this grows, maybe one day I'll even show my face or use my own voice. The key is, I won't stop because I know that what matters in the next 5 years is what I'm doing today. Here's the exciting part. In the next video, we'll talk about which business strategy suits me best. We'll figure out together whether it's for video editing, learning business skills, or something else that will work. I'm not sure yet, but I'm determined. If you're thinking about starting your own journey, then join me. Don't wait. Click the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next video. Together, we can learn, grow, and build something new, one step at a time. Let's make the next 5 years count. Remember, it's not about waiting for the right moment. It's about taking action today. Learn with me, grow with me, and let's start building a better future, one step at a time.